You can do it.
Follow me. Cool.
All aboard!
Când noaptea își schimbă povestea în zori și părul e prins în mii de culori. Când pașii pe stradă vor desena, să-ți amintești așa, tu ești minunea mea.
She said it's connected to your
Got car.
Yeah, it's connected. Oh, I think it works. Cute.
Hi, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tara, and I have a very special guest here, my mom, and we are in freaking Disney. Woo! So today we are going to Disney Springs. I'm keeping this intro short because I have not had coffee, so I can't even talk. So we'll see you there.
Să faci curcubeu cu tine și cerul tot pare al meu, iar zâmbetul tău e ziua de mâine și totul se schimbă, devine mai bine. Am ideea, ai ales să scrii un cântec ce vine din sunete vii. Tu poți uneori desena bucuria și mii de culori, poezia. Pe străzi astăzi râdem și fără motiv, iar timpul îl punem pe un portativ. Când ploaia ne prinde, nu mai fugim, e joacă de stele și ne învârtim. Baloane cu vise, din tine răsar secunde și zile.
Cheers.
Cheers. Look how cute it is.
Yeah, you got a cute cup.
So cute.
Yeah.
Oh, here's the one that you can put on your shoulder.
Oh, and then that's what. This is my little
Yeah, that's
guy.
what you got.
They look the same. We need to get a bigger one. Wait, I'll take a picture of you too. So you can see. Hold on. Oh my god. Do you want to see? That's so funny. Oh my god.
Oh, look at that big chocolate chip cookie.
And bring that.
They're so cute.
Definitely get, it's a small one. This one.
This one?
Yeah. And then
Or this one?
oh, but it's all the cute tan
The
girls.
happiest cruise that ever sailed.
I love this one though.
I do like this one. I think I'm gonna get
What's this one? Oh, it's a small world.
this
That's
one.
cute.
That's cute.
Oh, there's more.
So many. That's
Oh
the
wait, that's the
I
one
got
that you have.
Yeah, I got you that one. Oh. Aw, that's adorable. Oh, look at that's like a. But it's a vending machine. Isn't that cool? It's so cute. Did you see this? Aw. Take a little zipper pouch. The blue one? Okay. Sea Splash Punch. What do you think? Very, very. And there's little gummies on the bottom. Oh, this is a dragon fruit cherry limeade, and then this one is sweet tea. Yeah. Yeah, it's like I like that one a lot. I'm sorry. This one's like Kool-Aid. Right? My hair. Oh, I like the blue raspberry in that. I like all of them. Yeah, they're all good. They're all good. Yummy. They're all very refreshing. And Nikki. Yeah, you get this one. Aw. Look at this over here. They're so cool. Oh my god. That's amazing. They're so perfect. They're just I think they just sit. They're just sitters. Yeah, I want a hanger on mine. Yeah, but it's more the blind box. Oh, there's shimmer. Fun. That's the sitter. That one looks cute with your outfit now. It's like oversized. Do you like it oversized? No? It's like really oversized for you. For sure. Isn't that cool? We have small ones too, which is nice. Florida sunshine. Smell good. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, it smelled as much. I feel like I should get that for Grammy. Grammy would love this.
Should I get one for her?
Oh, this smells so good.
You think she'll like that?
I think she would. Ooh, look
It
at.
smells good, right? It smells like good chocolate.
That smells good too.
Look at that.
This is the one.
Oh my god, look at those.
Those are cute.
I like
oh,
those too.
Oh, they're lounge-fi. Wow.
Those are only $20. Kind of want one of those too.
Yeah.
Find them. Super cute.
They're so cute.
Oh, look, we're right.
Aww. And cookie cutters.
Oh my god.
Wait, what's that?
It's a coffee scoop. I feel
Oh,
like
it's
I
a
get
coffee
this for
scoop.
Grammy.
I love.
Brewing Magic. I think I have to get this for her. I'm gonna get this for her.
You should.
What do you think?
My ears are hurting.
And Brownie Bites.
Brownie bites. This looks interesting. We did damage with the outlets.
This way, right?
That was fun though. Sorry. Wow, look at that. Crazy. I didn't know where to put the camera, but it's fine. So we have to say what we want. Do you know what you want? You have the same one.
I want Minnie or Mickey.
I want Minnie, Mickey, or Pluto. I guess Chip and Dale was cute too because we saw that.
Anything but Donald.
We will. I'm so
Mickey
excited.
would be perfect.
I've been dying to do this. But I want to open it the right way. Why is it so hard? No, it's not hard. I don't want to look at the inner packaging. I feel like it's a Chip or Dale, honestly.
All right,
We'll
we'll
see.
see. You're right.
Oh, look at that.
So cute.
Oh, it's really cute though, even though I wanted the other ones.
Gosh.
Aw,
So cute.
he's so cute. I love him. So it's Chip.
You want to open mine? You can open mine. Where's mine?
My mom got one too, and
Where is it?
it's still in the bag.
No.
His little derpy
You
face.
have to open mine.
Boop at the. You know what? This is kind of like an ode to the chipmunk that was escaped in our house.
Yeah.
So
There you go.
I kind of feel like that's why he came.
Yeah. It's the chipmunk from your house.
Well, thank you for letting me open it since this is like so much fun. You just like watching me open it.
I do. It's fun.
All right, box number 2.
It's like watching you open Christmas presents.
It's true. It's Christmas every day. What do we think?
Minnie or Mickey?
Well, that's the hope.
Uh.
Yes. Manifest Minnie or Mickey. I don't know why part of me doesn't want to open it too. It's just like,
It's so funny.
I know.
You might have to get one.
Or I just,
to take home.
yeah. That would be fun. Maybe we should bring one. Bring one to Granny. It might be another one. I don't know.
Chippendale?
I don't know. Oh no! Daisy! All right, all right.
It's Daisy.
I guess I should have known from this, but
It's cute.
oh, she's really cute too.
I like Daisy. Super cute. Oh. All right, big shot.
Okay.